Iyad ibn Himar radiyallahu an reported the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The people of Jannah will be of three kinds: a just, successful ruler, a man who shows mercy to his relatives, and a pious believer who has a large family and refrains from begging." Reported in Muslim.
Right. So the Prophet ﷺ, he is emphasizing three people who will be in Jannah. The first one is the one who's got leadership, and he is muwaffaq and just. He's just and he's judging with the right thing. So muqsitun muwaffaq. Person who's muqsit, and that is a person who is just, muwaffaq. That means Allah Azza wa Jal guides him to what pleases the Lord, and that is the justice. Second one, وَرَجُلٌ رَحِيمٌ رَقِيقُ الْقَلْبِ لِكُلِّ ذِي قُرْبَى وَمُسْلِمٌ. Person who's got a nice heart, tender heart, soft heart, merciful to every person who is Muslim, especially as well the ones who are next of kin. And that makes him as well a just person if he's got a merciful heart. And the third one is وَعَفِيفٌ مُتَعَفِّفٌ ذُو عِيَالٍ. What's the translation of the third one? He says,
a pious believer who has a large family and refrains from begging.
Yeah, but the afif is not being translated. Refrains. Afif is, even if he's in need, because he's got so many children, he's got no money and poor, but still that doesn't make him to step down from his dignity. That's the word. Step down from dignity to go and beg. No. If the people gives him, he takes, but he does not beg. So he's a person who does not step down from his prestige, I should call it. Prestige, maybe not the word. His dignity. He's holding himself. Even in need. Because he sees that this is a humiliation. To go and ask people. You ask the person, he might give you, he might not give you. SubhanAllah. I will not be in that position. I don't like to be in that position. Even to my own children. To go and ask my son. I don't feel that right. I want to be, inshallah, on my feet, doing the best to support myself until I die, and not to be in need of anybody. So it shows us as well the person who is muta'affif, the person who's poor does not show his poverty, and he is the best. And also shows us as well that the justice is very important, and also being merciful, and also to be good to the people whom you're dealing with, especially your next of kin.